Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start now, confirm you are on the pacifist path and keep your ATK low. That prevents accidental damage. Once done, gather 3 to 5 reliable heals and position them where you can reach fast during intense sequences. Next, practice mobility. Diagonal moves and short lateral shifts beat predictable spear waves. This first action set prepares you physically and mentally for Undyne's opening assaults. You need reflexes more than offense, so rehearse those dodges until they feel automatic. You will now handle the heart of the fight. Learn the telegraphs. Undyne's wind-ups and spear spawn positions reveal the safe lane. Once you see a wind-up, step opposite briefly and then veer diagonally to avoid follow-up spears. Make short bursts toward her only when a clear opening appears. Holding forward invites combo punishments. Also, track your health and mercy timing. Heal during non-homing phases so you never waste a heal on a string of homing attacks that immediately follow. You finish by pacing your mercy attempt and mitigating mistakes. Wait until homing spears stop, then move in and use mercy. Rushing causes failed attempts. If you repeatedly fail on a single pattern, pause, breathe, and shift your input timing by small amounts. 0. 1 second changes often fix rhythm errors. And if things still go wrong, reset to an earlier save and practice the problematic spear waves until confident. This final approach secures the pacifist outcome without unnecessary retry.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.